Hey everyone, today we are making a simple and short video about how to change your profile image. So you can make a customizable profile image. And what you want to do is first select the profile that you want to change. And then we're going to go to the very top up here. Then we're going to go down to the manage profiles right here. And then we're going to go to the account we want. And then on the top right here, you'll see a pencil sign. Push that, click it. And then now there's some choices that we have. We can pick like something like this. It'll ask you, do you want to change from your original to this one? Let's do it or not yet. Then you can look at the other ones. You could browse through, see if there's anything that you like up here. And then no, so then it goes back to the generic ones. And then if you scroll down, they have some special ones. The Last Airbender, for example. I can go here and then it asks change profile icon. Let's do it or not yet. And then so as I scroll down, you see that there's some popular TV shows: The Witcher, The Sandman, BoJack Horseman, Stranger Things. You can pick him, for example. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and go through and see what you like. For example, I'll just go ahead and pick this one. So then let's go and let's click let's do it. And then now my profile will have this image of golden glasses. Make sure you go to the bottom, push save. And that's it. So now I'm going to push done. And you'll notice that the image I picked is now my profile. All right, guys, try this at home. See what happens. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit that like. Bye-bye.